very lucky, I'm very privileged. I had a happy childhood, I had great upbringing, and I've had professional success. And over the last few years, we've been able to set up the foundation, give a big part of our wealth to the foundation. Last year, about 20,000 crores of equity was transferred to the foundation, and that's now helping us, make this change. But what I'm hoping is that this table has about 18, 20 of these super smart people, much smarter than I am. So in 2047, that it will not be 20 and 1, it will be 20 of you multiplying 20 more. So that time we'll have 400 getting impacted. I'm saying is that with you 20 geniuses, you all can make, much bigger multiplier effect, and hopefully we can be a bandwagon where the most capable, which all of you are part of, will also become the most responsible if we can all work together for something beyond ourselves.
So I have something people would say is rather radical, but I think India is a country that has a lot of potential. So we have a young population, we have a population that is growing at a rapid rate, and I think our population is a very curious population. We play the long game, such that when countries are looking at short-term financial gains, a country like India looks at 2047 as the year that we become the global superpower by funding science, by funding the pure abstract sciences, maybe even the humanities, but just fundamental human curiosity, cultivating it in our education system, and incentivizing people to pursue that instead of any sort of short-term gain. So look towards the future, not now.
When we look at India in 2047, one thing that should be established by then is India increasing its educational capacity. And by the time of 2047, when we have the educational capacity to facilitate the different fields, right from engineering to medical to real estate to everything in India, where we have students from other countries looking to study here and gain the exposure to revolutionize different fields. That is something that by 2047 we could anticipate with the potential.
I believe that by 2047, alongside the conventional education, skill-based learning should also be emphasized.
India has come a long way from 1947, and when I think about it completing 100 years of independence, what comes to my mind is a global leader. When I think of India completing 100 years in 2047, I think about a nation that is not just growing but thriving. It is also important to notice the fact about the impact that you've made, the hearts that you've touched, and by proper funding and collaboration in these fields, we can ensure that India is not just going with flow of the rest of the world, but it is leading it.
The three steadfast pillars for India in 2047 will be the empowered individuals, sustainable communities, and the intellectual resilience.
आप लोगों को जो गिफ्ट है, उसमें आप do well तो करेंगे. आप जो भी फील्ड चूज करेंगे, whatever you all choose, you will do well. You will do financially well, you will do personally well. God bless each one of you. But if along with that you bring the idea of do good, paropkar parma dharma, you have to do good as you do well. And जितना आप लाइफ में आगे बढ़ो, अगर आप ये याद रखते हो कि you have to do good for beyond yourself, that ultimately is what Indian culture is, and that's why we are blessed कि हमको सबको जन्म इंडिया में मिला.